Hey Marta, I came on and decided to do it this way because I know it'll work better. Okay, I have my little box here. I use my quick select tool right here to select all the white. Sorry, my computer's going slow. And I hit, once that's all selected, I hit Control J, and then I need to hit Control D to make the little dashed box go away. And I'm going to open my image. We'll take this one. And we're going to just use your move tool to drag and drop the image here. And then I'm going to hit Control Alt G, and that places the image in this layer that we created. I'm just going to resize the picture so we can see the little baby. There he is, right there in that little box. So I hope that helps. From there I would just click on the background layer and flatten. And there it is. So let me know if you need any more help.